Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm not doing a cook. Today I've got a special event announcement that's been in the making for 45 years. Nope, it's not my birthday again. We already did that a couple months ago. Anyway, man, 45 years ago. That'd be 1977. Anyway, a few of my buddies, we got together, and I was with another buddy of mine, and we couldn't decide if it was a English lit class or a films class, or which class it was that this event took place in. But we made a movie, and we made a film. Back then, we didn't have cell phones, we didn't have SLR cameras, we didn't have video cameras. You know, I mean, it was a Super 8. You don't know what a Super 8 is? Well, I can't show you the projector, but I can show you it's in a reel like this, and it is actually film. For those of you too young to know what a Super 8 is. And there's no audio on these. It's just like making a silent movie. So we made a movie, and actually last weekend I was an hour and a half from one of my buddies that we grew up across the street from each other, and Steve Wallace. And actually in the 5th grade, I think it was, our Mr. Toby, it was either 4th or 5th grade, we had the same teacher, Mr. Toby, and he did a little movie where you just take 3 seconds at a time and you move like 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, and he made this whole little Cowboys and Indians movie with us. And it was awesome. I wish I could get a hold of that one. I'm sure I wouldn't even know where to reach Mr. Toby, and I'm sure he's probably passed by now. But anyway, okay, so last weekend, my buddy Steve and I, we do stay in contact. He lives in Puebla, Colorado. Like I said, we were an hour and a half away from him. He came down, and we spent the day together. We went and had a late lunch and early dinner at an Italian restaurant in Trinidad, Colorado, and it was delicious. Nana and Nano's, I believe, is the name of the place. Anyway, here's a picture of the two of us together last weekend. See, when you see the film, and I hope you come and watch the film, you'll see us both 45 years ago. Back in Time Productions. Okay. Just a quick preview. I'm not sure what date I'm going to release the movie. So what I did was, gosh, this was last Christmas. Have you ever heard of Legacy Box? There it is right there. They're not paying for this. Anyway, so I took I took our film and I sent it to Legacy Box, and they transferred it over to a USB drive. I think that's still in here. I haven't even opened it. And a digital download. So there's the USB and a digital download. And, you know, I keep putting it off, but I edited it. The quality is horrible, to say the least. I don't know if it's because the film's 45 years old or just Legacy Box. To me, it almost looked like they had somebody play the projector on a screen, and they filmed it, and I think their camera went in and out of focus, because if our camera went out of focus in the spots that it did during the movie, we probably would have got an F on the film. I don't remember what grade we got, but I'm sure we got a good grade. It's funny watching it, seeing ourselves. And anyway, I finally got around to doing a bunch of editing to it. I hope it comes out presentable enough for everybody to enjoy it. I will keep you posted on what date that I will release it. You'll probably see other notifications before I actually do. You know, it's one of those things where you edit, re-edit, watch it, re-edit, you know, that kind of thing. There's not a whole lot you can do with it, though. It's just under 10 minutes long. So the day that I'm going to release it, you might want to grab a bag of popcorn and sit down and watch the show. So for now, stick around for the next minute and a half or so, and I'll show you a trailer. So check this out. Ah!
Oh no! Ah!
Okay, so that's the trailer. Yes, that was me and Steve and my other buddy John Coffey. And man, you know, we grew up, we were always together. Anyway, we had a great time growing up. And I hope you come back and watch this movie once I do release it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you get the notification when the movie releases if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed and you haven't hit the bell, be sure to hit that bell. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.